This is my secondary math lesson plan, and I thought this was a really cool lesson plan because we're focusing on the area, the perimeter, and the circumference. Now, you're probably wondering, what are we focusing on with that? Well, we're also incorporating Google Maps. Now, the students are going to be able to pick a location, so they're going to be able to be creative with that. I've also incorporated a formula chart of how you find the circumference, perimeter, and area. So basically, with the area, it's the width times the length. The perimeter is the width times the length times the width times the length, and so on. So circumference is the area around times pi. So I thought this was kind of cool. So what we'll do is we'll start out with, actually, as a class, I will pick an image. With that image, we'll go over how to use Google Maps and project that onto the screen so all the students can see, and then I will take that and show them how to find the perimeter, area, and circumference. After that, we're going to break up into groups of 4, and each group will find a location and come up with that area, circumference, and perimeter. And once the groups have worked together and completed that, they will present theirs to each group. Now, when they present, we'll project it onto the main screen, and everyone who's not in the group talking will be in charge of finding the area, circumference, and perimeter of the other group, and we'll see together as a class if we came up with the same answer and if they got their answers correct. Now, we'll do that for each evaluation for each group, so not only will they see what they could have done better or wrong, but also just kind of getting critical judgment as well as complimentary judgment for each person. After we split up into groups, then I have assigned a homework assignment to where each student will go home and they will pick a location. They will print out the actual copy of the map, and then once they print it out, they're going to highlight the perimeter around in a yellow highlighter. Now, they're going to find the perimeter, circumference, and area of the given location that they found. I want the name of the location, and then also for extra credit, they're allowed to find the longitude and latitude coordinates, and then they can come in and they will turn that in. And so I really liked this assignment just because it was a different way of finding those certain formulas and calculating them, and not just basic math and formulas and this is what we're going to do today, and it kind of kept them interested. And I also liked that they got to pick their location of where they got to search and actually kind of see it, and whether it was their house or the mall or their favorite restaurant or anything like that. So it kind of allowed creativity, which was awesome to see. And so I really liked doing that with them. And so I really hope you enjoyed the lesson as much as I did, and hope you have a good one.